Hello friends, here I am Rupali and welcome back to my channel Arvi Creativity. Today I am going to show you all how you can make this beautiful cardboard pencil box at your home. I have tried my best to make this more attractive. I think this is the best gift idea for kids and I have made this too to surprise my niece. For this type of amazing ideas, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay notified. And you all can also follow me on my Insta, FB, Twitter and TikTok also. Link is in my description box. So let's proceed.